Hi guys! Welcome to another video. For today's video, we're gonna play Would You Rather. I hope you enjoy. Okay, let's pick a side.
Yeah, let's pick a side.
Work with someone who played your least favorite music on repeat, or work with someone who smells terrible and bad.
No!
Bro, we didn't have time.
Yes.
But why is there so many emo persons here?
Yes.
Ba? Okay. Jump! Okay. Always stand or always sit? I would rather always sit.
Sit, me too.
I don't like standing, guys. I don't like standing.
Yeah. Lava.
Bro, lava how? How do we... bro, I cannot control this.
Yes, me too.
We won!
Yay! We won.
Yay! This is so fun. Have your best dream and the worst nightmare come true, or never have any of your dreams come true? I would rather pick red.
Me too. I'll pick
I
red.
don't want my nightmares to come true.
5, 4, and 3, and 2, 1.
Oh.
Oh.
Yay!
Yay.
So, any photo comes?
But I'll...
Let's kill him!
I'm using my sword.
Bro. Oh, shit. Let's kill him. Oh, yay!
Yay!
We won!
Yeah.
We won, guys. We won again. But, guys, comment what would you rather in the comments, okay? Never have to sleep or the ability to have full control over your dreams.
I'll choose.
I would choose blue.
Yeah,
I
me
love to control. I would love to control.
Wow.
Okay, let's go. Come on. Ouch! This
Ouch.
guy's so overpowered.
Yeah. Red.
Kill him. Let's kill him.
Let's kill. Red.
Ouch! Bro. Did we win? Oh, there's one more person.
Yeah.
No,
Come on.
I want to win.
Yay.
Yay! Like I killed him. Yay! I love it. We killed him. We killed him. We killed him. Hey, we killed the body. Right. But where is this person over there to the left side?
Yeah, I don't know.
But guys, I'm kinda saving for the trident, so wish me on saving. Talk a little bit too softly or talk a little bit too loudly. I would choose blue. I love speaking loud.
Okay.
What do you choose, Steve?
Blue.
But why? Well, why? But, are you copying what I want, bro?
Yes, because it's gamay. Oh my god, I can't see anything. Help. Help.
No.
I'm so slow. So slow.
Just kill him.
Yes, red.
Ouch.
Ouch.
Bro,
Ouch, I'm moving.
Go, Steve.
Blue, yes.
No.
No. I just died
No,
by
not that, bro. She's too overpowered. B is too overpowered. Bro, this isn't fair. This isn't fair! Bro,
yeah.
never mind. And Sid, stop copying.
Okay. Have a first time.
Always have the last laugh or have the first dibs every time. What's dibs?
I'll choose red.
I'll choose this.
6, 5, and 4, and 3, and 2, 1.
Oh my god.
Random weapons.
I don't.
Whoa, I have abilities. I have abilities.
That's not fair. Ouch.
Abilities.
I died.
Hey. Oh, that's what you get.
Yep.
I have abilities. Yes. Go, Miko.
I wish I have 10,000 points. Okay.
Come here. Yes, yes.
Guys, comment on what would you rather if you were me. What would you choose? Well, wait, it's a tie? It's a tie, bro.
Yeah.
Discover circle or discover Loch Ness monster. I would rather pick blue, guys, because I want
Okay,
to
I'll
discover.
choose. Oh my god!
Oh no.
Oh my god!
Guys, I'm cooked.
I'm
See, don't go on me.
Come on, we can do this.
Out. Guys, I'm cooked. I'm
You're
cooked.
cool.
Yeah, I'm cooked. Guys,
I'm gonna die.
I'm gonna die. Guys, this is so hard. No. Why is these people targeting me? No, don't. Don't.
We can do this.
I can't do this.
We can do this. Come on.
I bet it's a tie. I think it's a tie. Guys.
Yes, it's a tie. Four, three, and two, and one.
Okay.
Okay.
Be born a dwarf or be born without of your... I would rather be born a dwarf.
Me too. I don't like the wool on my legs. 8, 7, and 6, 5, 4, and 3, and 2, and 1.
Okay.
Dun, 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 dun. Good.
Oh. Aha, that's what you get.
Red? Come on, red. Yes, I
Yay,
kill it.
we win. I love this girl's avatar. letter W. Okay, one more round, guys. One more round. Have no friends or have no family. I would rather to have no friends
Me
because
too.
I don't have friends.
Nine,
I don't
eight,
have them.
7, 6, 5, and 4, and 3, and 2, 1.
Oh,
Oh!
nice. Let's do it.
Why do he don't like family?
Yep. Let's do it. Yay, we won.
And we're a zombie.
Okay. Okay, let's end the video. Wait. Never mind. Okay. Unfortunately, guys, it's the end. So, thank you for watching us, guys. And if you like our content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. See you on the next video.
Bye.